Hey, 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 it's Daniel the Adjuster. Coming to you live as I drive down the road with my cool sunglasses on. All right, hey guys. How's it going? Hey, just heading down the road, heading to another claim. It's, sometimes we got a long drive. So, pardon my switching hands here, got a tailgating truck. Yeah, I wanted to talk about stuff on the road, guys. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea. I got thinking about this a little bit, thinking that I don't have one, but one of those dash cams would be a really great idea, because you just spend a lot of time on the road, and there's a lot of crazy drivers out there, truckers included. Oh my goodness, truckers will run you off the road faster than you could possibly imagine. They just switch lanes. They don't care, and they just go. So I will probably invest in one not too long from now. I've got the GoPro, but I just don't want to leave that mounted in the car. What I'm waiting for is, nowadays I have a really good GPS, and nowadays the new GPSs have cameras built into them. So that's something I'm probably looking forward to replacing my next GPS with. Until this one dies, I'm not really going to spend that money. I really don't want to have two things sitting on the dash. But yeah, one that does both things would be probably a really good idea. So just keep that in mind. You know, we really want to protect ourselves while we're on the road from potential bad drivers. I don't know if I've mentioned to you this before, but you cannot afford to get speeding tickets. You cannot afford to get any type of wrecks. It looks really bad on your record as far as your driving record goes, as well as the fact that a lot of the adjusting firms are also monitoring that. If you have infringements for speeding or infringements for parking tickets or whatever else, this looks very unfavorable to them. The other thing you want to be careful about too is, you know, there's some guys out there love to get a drink after work, love to, you know, just hang out with the boys on weekends and stuff. A DWI is going to finish your career. Absolutely finish your career. So I just want you guys to know that that is something you don't want to be messing around with. I choose not to drink personally, because years and years ago I did it. Didn't do me a whole lot of good. So made some choices that, hey, it's just not part of my life as I get older. But that's your choice. Hey, you guys are welcome to do what you want. I'm just saying, don't mix driving and drinking. It will finish your career. You will not work. One DWI will finish your career in this insurance business. So just keep that in mind. Also, any drug-related charges, marijuana, anything like that will also finish your career too. So these are things just to keep in the forefront of your mind when you guys are thinking about having fun on weekends or going out. Hey, even these conferences now, yes, you're in a hotel and all that stuff, but sometimes they'll go over to a golf club or whatever, halfway between the hotel and, you know, go over to a golf course and have one of these meetings. Hopefully you're not driving, because these guys get plastered at these events, and that would really mess you up as well. So just a quick little video as I drive down the road. This one here is about an hour and, I don't know, hour and 15 from the house, and then I'm going another hour to the next one, and then an hour and a half home. So yeah, lots of driving today, but that's just, sometimes that works out that way. So just keep that in mind, that it's not the norm that you would have that kind of driving. It just, sometimes you get a bad day where you spend a lot of time driving and not so much time inspecting. So that happens, okay? So it's not out of the ordinary for that to occur. I probably have one day, possibly 2 days, where I will do a ton of driving, okay? So just keep that in the forefront of your mind. Just expect it. I use this opportunity. I keep a journal, and every, you know, couple, 3 days or whatever, I will write in my journal a little bit about what's going on in my life, maybe things that I need to improve upon. Probably need to improve on shaving. I have a very fast-growing beard that seems to not give me any break. Shower, shave every day, and it is there, you know. Anyways, I shower at nighttime, so by the time I get up in the morning, I got it's crazy. I can't keep track of it all, but maybe that's a sign of health if you can keep your beard growing nonstop. So you guys probably noticed that in some of my videos. Are like, man, does this guy never shave? I shave way too much, and I shave with a blade. So I actually do a really close shave when I shave. So it's sometimes you only get me in the best of my best. So just keep that in mind. Use this time as you're driving to reflect. Don't just turn on the music and ignore life. You can use this time. You can listen to podcasts, things that can better yourself, make you a better adjuster, or make you a better person. There's not a whole lot of podcasts out there for adjusting, but for far as character building or time management, there's lots of great ones. So that's an opportunity for you guys just to take advantage of that drive and use that to better yourself. You can like I said, the journal's good for me because I can look back at it later. Maybe I was having a hard time and I wanted to see how things turned out later on down the road, and I'm able to go back and say, wow, that month, I remember that was really tough. I wonder how it turned out. And then go back a year ago and say, wow, I made it through that. That was really good. Another thing too is I write down things that are important to me as far as prayer requests or people I'm thinking about, maybe an unsaved person that needs some attention in my heart that I need to pray for, a good buddy across the country that needs some help or whatever. Just this is time for you guys to reflect and make the things that are important to you, either write them down or even talk out loud. I hate to say it, but I talk out loud to myself sometimes when I'm driving. I pray, and I spend time, praying for the people that I love and praying for the people that are hurting. And it's a great opportunity for you to spend some time just reflecting. So, me personally, I enjoy the driving. In fact, I really, really enjoy driving. And I think it's because it gets me away from the rat race of life that keeps me so preoccupied with going from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next, that it doesn't allow me time to slow down and reflect about what is important to me. And so here we are coming up on Thanksgiving. What a great opportunity to spend some time thinking about what's important to you, things that you're thankful for, thanking, whatever religion you believe in, but thanking the one for providing for you, providing work, providing the skills to do this job well, providing you determination. These skills are something that are gifted to you, whether it's through your parents that taught you hardworking skills, that trained you to be diligent, whether it was you when you went to school and college and you realized the only way I'm going to succeed is for me to put 100% or 110% into this. These are all things that it's a good time to reflect back and say, I am this person because of my past. And I am succeeding in my past, or succeeding in the future because of my past. Or the flip side is I'm not succeeding in my future because of my past. So this is a great opportunity for you to reflect back and see if there's things that you need to change to make you a better person, a more diligent person, a more self-motivated person. If there are things in your life that you need to change that could improve your life. Maybe you're too much of a drinker, too much of a partier. Maybe you're lazy. Maybe you don't get up early to get started on your day. These are things that are always great things to reflect on and change to make you a better person. So the drive time, love it. Opportunity for you guys to become better and think about things that are important. So Daniel the Adjuster in the bright sunshine, coming to you live down the road. Again, check out my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Woohoo!